Hello everyone. Welcome to Slow English with Confidence. I am happy to have you here today. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about a very simple habit that can change the way you learn English. It is a 15-minute morning routine. This routine can help you improve your English listening. It can help you learn useful words. It can help you speak with more confidence. And most importantly, it can help you slowly train your brain to think in English. You do not need to study for many hours. You do not need difficult grammar. You do not need hundreds of new words every day. You only need 15 quiet minutes in the morning. So, if you have a cup of tea or coffee, take it with you. Sit somewhere comfortable. Relax. And listen carefully. Let's begin. Sunrise Minute 1. Start your morning in English. The first minute is very simple. When you wake up, do not immediately think about your phone. Do not immediately check social media. Instead, give your brain one quiet minute. Open your eyes. Take a slow breath. And think in simple English. You can think. Good morning. It is a new day. I feel a little tired. I am ready for a new day. The morning is quiet. These sentences are very easy. And that is exactly what we want. We do not want difficult English. We want natural English. The goal is to connect your morning with English. Every morning, your brain starts a new day. So why not start that day with English? You do not need to speak loudly. You can simply think. One sentence. Then another sentence. Slowly, your brain starts creating a connection between your morning and the English language. Minute 2. Look around you. Now, look around your room. You can describe what you see. For example, the bed is comfortable. The window is open. My phone is on the table. There is a chair near the window. The room is quiet. Again, these sentences are very simple. But simple sentences are powerful. Many learners make a mistake. They try to think in long and complicated sentences. Then they get stuck. They do not know the right words. And they become frustrated. Don't do that. Start small. If you see a cup, think. This is a cup. If you see a book, think. This is a book. If you see a window, think. The window is open. You are training your brain to connect the real world directly with English. You see something. You understand it. And you think about it in English. No translation is necessary. Teacup with handle Minute 3. Describe your morning. Now imagine that you are making your morning drink. Maybe you are making tea. Maybe you are making coffee. Maybe you are drinking water. Describe your actions in English. You can think. I am making tea. The water is hot. I am adding some milk. The tea smells nice. I am sitting at the table. I am drinking my tea. These sentences are useful because you can use them every day. You don't need to memorize them. Just use them. The next morning, you may naturally think, I am making tea. And after some time, you may stop translating. The English sentence will simply appear in your mind. This is how you train your brain, not by forcing it, but by repeating simple English every day. Minute 4. Think about your plans. Now, think about your day. What do you need to do today? Maybe you need to go to work. Maybe you need to study. Maybe you need to go shopping. Maybe you need to clean your room. Think about your plans in English. You can say, today, I have a busy day. I need to go to work. I have some important things to do. I need to finish my work. I will have lunch at 1 o'clock. I will come home in the evening. These sentences help you practice future ideas. And they are useful in real life. You are not just learning English. You are using English to think about your own life. That makes the practice more meaningful. Seedling Minute 5. Talk about your feelings. Now, think about how you feel this morning. Maybe you feel happy. Maybe you feel tired. Maybe you feel excited. Maybe you feel worried. Maybe you feel calm. Use simple English to describe your feelings. You can think. I feel good today. I feel a little tired. I am happy to start a new day. I feel calm this morning. I am a little nervous about today. There is no right or wrong answer. These are your thoughts. The important thing is to express them in English. When you learn to describe your feelings in English, You begin to use the language for real communication. And that can make speaking easier. Open book minute 6. Listen to easy English. Now it is time to listen. Spend a few minutes listening to slow and easy English. Choose a simple English podcast. Listen to an easy story. Listen to a beginner English lesson. Do not worry about every word. You do not need to understand everything. Just listen. Listen to the sound. Listen to the pronunciation. Listen to the rhythm. Try to understand the main idea. If you hear a sentence you understand, enjoy it. If you hear a sentence you don't understand, keep going. Do not stop every few seconds. Your goal is to train your ears. The more you listen, the more familiar English becomes. Minute 7. Repeat what you hear. Now choose one short sentence from what you listened to. For example, I want to improve my English. Listen to it. Then repeat it. I want to improve my English. Again. I want to improve my English. Do not worry about having a perfect accent. Just try to speak clearly. You can repeat 3 or 4 simple sentences. This practice connects listening and speaking. Your ears hear English. Your brain understands English. And your mouth produces English. This is a very useful combination. Thought balloon minute 8. Think without translating. Now we come to one of the most important parts. Try to think directly in English. Imagine you are looking outside your window. Instead of thinking in your first language and translating, try to create the thought directly in English. You see the sky. Think. The sky is blue. You see a car. Think. The car is moving. You see a person walking. Think. Someone is walking outside. You see the sun. Think. The sun is bright. Keep your thoughts simple. Do not worry about grammar. Do not worry about perfection. Just keep thinking. If you cannot find a difficult word, use an easier word. This is very important. You do not need perfect English to think in English. You need simple English that you can actually use. Minute 9. Learn 3 useful phrases. Now choose only 3 useful English phrases. Not 10. Not 20. Just 3. For example, I need to. I want to. I am going to. Now make simple sentences. I need to study. I need to work. I need to drink water. I want to learn English. I want to improve. I want to travel. I am going to work. I am going to study. I am going to make breakfast. These 3 phrases can help you create many sentences. This is better than memorizing a long list of random words. Learn phrases that you can actually use. Minute 10. Use English during movement. Now get up and move around. You can walk around your room. While you walk, describe your actions. I am walking. I am opening the door. I am going to the kitchen. I am looking for my keys. I am putting on my shoes. This may feel strange at first. That's okay. You are training your brain. You are teaching your brain that English is not only for books and classrooms. English can be part of your real life. You can use it while walking. You can use it while cooking. You can use it while cleaning. You can use it while getting ready for work. Small moments can become English practice. Flexed biceps minute 11. Give yourself motivation. Now take 1 minute to give yourself some positive thoughts. Think. I can learn English. I am improving every day. I don't need to be perfect. I can learn slowly. I can make mistakes. I can keep going. These sentences are simple, but they are powerful. Sometimes English learners become frustrated because they compare themselves with other people. They see someone speaking English very well. Then they think, my English is terrible. Don't do this. Your journey is different. Maybe you are learning slowly. That's okay. Slow progress is still progress. You don't need to become fluent today. You only need to become a little better than yesterday. Minute 12. A short story. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man named David. David wanted to speak English. He had studied English for many years. He knew many grammar rules. He knew many words. But when he tried to speak, he became nervous. He translated everything in his mind. One day, David decided to change his routine. Every morning, he spent 15 minutes thinking in English. At first, he could only make very simple sentences. I am tired. I am hungry. I need coffee. I have work today. But he continued. After 1 month, he noticed something. Some English sentences started appearing in his mind automatically. After 3 months, he could think about simple things without translating. After 6 months, he felt much more comfortable speaking. His English was not perfect, but he was no longer afraid. The biggest change was not his grammar. It was his confidence. He stopped waiting for perfect English. He started using the English he already knew. And that made all the difference. Sunrise Minute 13. Review your day. Now think about yesterday. What did you do? Try to describe your day in simple English. You can think. Yesterday, I went to work. I had lunch with my friend. I came home in the evening. I watched a video. I went to bed early. If you don't know a word, don't panic. Use another word. For example, if you don't know the word exhausted, say, I was very tired. Simple English is completely okay. The goal is communication. Minute 14. Make one promise. Now we are almost finished. Take 1 moment and make a small promise to yourself. Don't promise to study English for 3 hours every day. Make a realistic promise. Maybe, I will listen to English for 15 minutes every morning. Or, I will think in English for 5 minutes every morning. Or, I will learn 3 useful phrases every day. Choose something you can actually do. A small promise that you keep is better than a big promise that you break. Consistency is more important than intensity. 15 minutes every day can become a powerful habit. Minute 15. Your new beginning. Now take a deep breath. Think about everything we talked about today. You can train your brain to think in English. You can start with simple thoughts. You can describe your morning. You can listen to easy English. You can repeat useful sentences. You can learn phrases. You can talk about your feelings. And you can practice every day. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to know every English word. You don't need to speak like a native speaker. You just need to keep going. 1 morning. 1 thought. 1 sentence. 1 small step at a time. And one day, something beautiful will happen. You will wake up. You will look around. And an English sentence will appear in your mind without translation. You will understand English more quickly. You will speak with more confidence. And you will realize that your brain has started making English a natural part of your life. That day may not come tomorrow. And that's okay. Keep practicing. Keep listening. Keep thinking. Your progress is happening, even when you cannot see it. Thank you so much for spending these 15 minutes with me. I hope this morning routine helps you improve your English listening, speaking, and thinking skills. Remember, start small. Think simple. Listen every day. Don't be afraid of mistakes. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Your English journey does not need to be fast. It needs to be consistent. This is Slow English with Confidence. Thank you for learning with me. Have a peaceful morning. Have a wonderful day. And remember, 15 minutes every morning can create a big change over time. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep thinking in English. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.